Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Panasonic selling fan. Customer call me it's very slow. So let's see actually what is the problem. Let me turn it on and see. Actually really it's very slow. So if it is very slow, there is no wind. So let's see. Dear viewers, at first you have to spin by hand. You see it should be free. If it is free, then second step there is capacitor. See, this is the capacitor. So now problem is capacitor. This capacitor need to change. So dear viewers, let me remove the capacitor. Yeah, this is the capacitor. There is two wire only. Very easy to remove. Yeah, this is the capacitor. This capacitor value is 1.8. So yeah, 1.8 microfarad. So dear viewers, I'll install there 2 microfarad. So 0.2 will be extra. So 2 microfarad will be good. So I'll fix, then video will be back. Dear viewers, I fixed the capacitor there. This is the old capacitor. That's new. I have installed 2 microfarad. I have installed. So let's see how is it now. Let me turn it on. Let's see. Just we have to wait. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, dear viewers. Speed is very good. Yes, it's nice speed. So customer will be happy. Alhamdulillah, dear viewers, it's working very good. So it was problem only capacitor. Thank you dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.